In this video, I will cover beginner-level Python challenge. Here is the problem statement. Write a program which will find all such numbers which are divisible by 7 but are not a multiple of 5, between 2000 and 3200, both included. The numbers obtained should be printed in a comma-separated sequence on a single line. First you pause this video and try to solve this problem. To solve this problem, we will use a loop to iterate through all the numbers in the given range. For each number, we will check if it is divisible by 7 using the modulo operator. If the number is divisible by 7, we will check if it is not a multiple of 5 using another modulo operator. If the number satisfies both conditions, we will add it to a list. In this program, we first create an empty list called result to store the numbers that meet the criteria. Then, we loop through all the numbers between 2000 and 3200, both included, using the range function. For each number, we check if it is divisible by 7 using the modulo operator. If it is, we also check if it is not a multiple of 5 by checking if the result of this is not equal to 0. If the number satisfies both conditions, we add it to the result list using the append method. Finally, we use the print function to print the numbers in the result list on a single line, separated by commas. We use the asterisk operator to unpack the list and pass each element as a separate argument to the print function, and we specify the sep argument as to separate the numbers with commas. After running this code, we get the result. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.